Here I've got KXD V6, and let me show you how to activate dark mode, how to invert colors on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select accessibility right here, scroll down, and here you will notice color inversion. So if you would like to activate dark dim, just click here to activate color inversion. And here it is. As you can see, the colors have been inverted, and you can use your device in this mode, in which your eyes will be protected, and also the battery, as it will definitely last way longer with this dark mode applied. Then if you'd like to switch it off, open accessibility one more time and just click on this switcher to turn off color inversion. So that would be all. You've just activated and deactivated color inversion in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.